To get the Always On Display feature on Realme Note 60, first you will need to download an app from a Google Play Store. So it's called Movies Edge. It's right here, looks like this. Make sure to download it, then open the app, and that way we'll be able to set up our Always On Display and even customize it. So now we need to allow the app to display over the others. So just find it and then activate it like that. Now we can go back and here select AOD. Now you can choose between different styles available for this app, and I'm gonna go with this one, and then we just need to apply it. You can also click on edit to customize it, but I'm fine with that. So now when it's applied, we can lock our device, and after a second we'll get the AOD displayed.